In 2015, animal justice broke new ground in our legal fight to stop the staggering suffering endured by so many animals in Canada. 2015 was the year we got action from law enforcement. We exposed jacket company Canada Goose for misleading consumers and forced federal authorities to investigate false claims that fur is humane.
Animal Justice has lodged a complaint with the Competition Bureau of Canada.
They say some of the methods used to trap and kill coyotes are inhuman, like leg hold traps. The group says some of the traps aren't checked for days.
There is a very clear and compelling case that Canada Goose is misleading the public.
We made international headlines, we galvanized tens of thousands of consumers to sign a petition, and Canada Goose is under investigation. When the country's largest chicken slaughterhouse was exposed on national television for shocking cruelty to animals, Animal Justice stepped in and demanded that Maple Lodge Farms be prosecuted for false claims that it treats chickens humanely. Every year, animals suffer and die in rodeo events at the Calgary Stampede. In 2015, Animal Justice said enough is enough. It's time for law enforcement to prosecute rodeo cruelty at the Stampede.
For the first time, Animal Justice is calling on the Calgary Humane Society to prosecute in cases like this.
They should be bringing these cases before the courts for adjudication.
2015 was also the year we fought for stronger laws to protect animals.
Canadian advocacy group Animal Justice has drafted a proposed Animal Charter of Rights and Freedoms.
We mobilized people across the country behind the Animal Charter of Rights and Freedoms, the first ever comprehensive legal charter to revolutionize animal protection in Canada.
There are some laws on the books that offer them some protection, but animals have no way to go to court to assert those rights.
Animal Justice fought to protect orcas and marine mammals in Ontario.
And without addressing some of the more fundamental problems, Ontario will continue to fail animals in this province.
We work to improve Prince Edward Island's new Animal Welfare Act.
Animal Justice Canada says the act creates two tiers of protection, one for companion animals, lower standards for farm animals.
This is Athena and this is Vishnu.
We came to the rescue of potbelly pigs in Victoria and Edmonton to show that they're lovable companions just like cats and dogs.
Animal Justice Canada released a statement yesterday saying it is considering launching a legal challenge to the bylaw on the grounds that it is unconstitutionally vague and discriminatory.
And we put animals on the map in the federal election. Our project Humane Voters Canada helped animal champions win seats in Parliament. With so many compassionate MPs elected, we're set to get real action for animals. In 2015, we made history by intervening at the Supreme Court of Canada, the first time the country's top court heard from animal lawyers in a case about criminal laws that protect animals.
Peter Sankoff and Camille Lubchuk for the Intervenor Animal Justice.
I'm not asking you to give animals the right to vote. I'm not asking you to extend principles that go well beyond what this court has already recognized. I'm simply asking you to recognize that the morality of today certainly gives animals the interest in being free from sexual exploitation.
The very fact that we were able to be here and make arguments in a case this monumental was huge.
And in our spare time, we got the Holiday Inn to cancel an African trophy hunting show after thousands of you signed our online petition. We tripled our social media reach, stood up for animal advocates' rights, opened our Vancouver office, helped launch a new animal law book, and continued training the next generation of animal lawyers with our law student and articling programs. Thanks to you, the best supporters an organization could have, we're creating real change for animals in Canada. And we're just getting started. In the new year, we're launching a cross-country billboard campaign. And we have big plans in 2016 for putting animals front and center in the legal and political institutions of Canada. Thank you for joining us in this mission of compassion.